Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you hate to be cold and want to stay warm in those cooler months like I do, then you have to check out this amazing heated vest from Zylyva. This thing is amazing. I cannot even begin to start to tell you all of the awesome features. First of all, it is so comfortable. It has a really nice snug fit, so it keeps me nice and warm and keeps those heated elements close to my body. It has 8 different heated zones. This gives me ultimate heat all over, whether in the front or the back. And what I really love is that I can customize and turn on my front zones and my back zones. So for me personally, a lot of times I really love to leave the back on a high heat and the front on a low heat. It just gives me a nice even temperature. And I love, love, love the ability to do that. It is powered by a battery power pack that sticks right inside in a nice little zip compartment. And I appreciated that the battery pack shows the percent of battery power. I did get a medium, which is my typical size. If I wear a standard sweatshirt or just a long sleeve shirt underneath it, I find that it fits really well. If you're looking to wear something a little bit more bulky underneath it, then I would probably size up. For me, the medium fit perfectly. I don't need to add a lot of layers because the vest itself keeps me so warm. Whether I'm doing yard work, taking a walk through the woods, or just sitting inside my house, this vest keeps me warm and feels like a nice warm hug, honestly. If you're looking for a fashionable and functional heated vest, I would 100% recommend this one from Zylyva. But that's just my point of view.